In this age, all over the world, to remain a brahmachari is little difficult. One who can, it is very good, but it is difficult. The brahmacharya, by practicing celibacy, a life of celibacy, even one has the intention, the association, the society is so much polluted that one cannot. It is very difficult. So, in Bhakti Yoga, it is not very strict that one has to observe celibacy strictly. You can marry. Marriage is allowed, but not for indulgence, but because a man requires a woman or a woman requires a man. There is sacred marriage. This man and woman is educated that he or she is not this body. Therefore, advancement of this education will stop him for this bodily enjoyment. Just like eating also. We are eating, we are not fasting, we are eating. But we are eating just to maintain the body and soul together. Not extravagant. Although we have very nice plates, Krishna Prasadam, but we do not make any palatable dishes for enjoyment. We make all nice things for Krishna and we take Prasadam. Therefore, the material effect of eating, it does not act upon the devotee. Therefore, Sukadeva Goswami says, by one stroke, without waiting for the austerity, undergoing severe penance, controlling the mind, controlling the senses, and giving in charity, performing great sacrifices, without waiting for all these things. Simply by one stroke, accepting Krishna consciousness, one immediately ascends the highest position. There is ample proof in our society. They had never any austerity, penance, or celibacy, or they tried to control the senses and mind, or they gave any very big amount of charities, or they observed cleanliness. Nothing of this sort. But immediately, simply by accepting Krishna consciousness, just see how they are nice. Practical proof. Now bring any yogi, any jnani, any person who undergoing severe penances and compare with these boys and girls. In fact, this is practical. Simply by accepting this devotional service, Kevalaya Bhakti, without waiting for the other param. They are already under penance. They are already leading the life of celibacy. They have already controlled the senses. They have already controlled the mind. They are giving in charity. Whatever they have, they are giving to Krishna. Danena, Tyagena, Tyag. They have given their life. What to speak of money and other things? They have given their whole life for Krishna. Otherwise, how this movement is improving? If I came here alone, still no Indians helping me. There are maybe one or two of my disciples. Others, there are so many Indians in this country, they are not helping me. But these boys, these girls, because they have come to the transcendental platform, they are helping me so nicely. Therefore the movement is going forward. This is practice. Kevalaya Bhakti. Simply by taking to Krishna consciousness, devotionals. It is just like I sometimes give example, the blacksmith method and the goldsmith method. The goldsmith, he has got a small hammer. Tuk, 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 tuk. And the blacksmith has a big hammer. Finish. So our is, we take the big hammer of Bhakti Yoga and finish all, everything. We won't have to undergo so many tuk, 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 tuk. And there is no possibility. If I say, now you have to become completely a brahmachari. You have to sit down in the forest and straight right angle and press your nose for 6 months. A wheel of follow. There is no possibility. This tuk-tuk method, there is no possibility. We have to get this hammer, blacksmith hammer of Krishna consciousness and immediately finish everything. This is Kali Yuga. Simply one, who can do this? This one hammer finishing all sinful reaction. Who can do this? Vasudeva Parayana. Tya Vasudeva Parayana. By devotional service, one has to become Vasudeva Parayana, devotee of Lord Vasudeva. That's all. That is being taught here. How to become lover of Vasudeva. This prescribed method that rise early in the morning, have our Mangalarati, Kirtan, then Bhogaratri, Kirtan, then go to the street Sankirtan, then come back, again Kirtan, again Arati, simply engaged in Vasudeva's service. That includes everything. All this austerity, penance, charity and cleanliness, they are clean, they are taking bath every day, 3 times. At least 2 times they are taking bath. Although previous to this, perhaps weekly they were taking once bath. So how they have become? This is practical proof. Vasudeva Parayana. Therefore whole people of the world should be made Vasudeva Parayana by this simple method of Krishna consciousness. And they will be all peaceful. It will become Vaikuntha. Otherwise, it is hellish. It has already become a hell, the whole world. And if you don't take to this Krishna consciousness, this the hellish condition of life will simply make progress. In spite of all your education and economic development, that's a fact. Those who are thoughtful, they should take this movement very serious. They should try to understand what is the value of this movement. It is not that something manufactured by me or by my man. It is authoritative. Here it is said, Bhaktya Vasudeva Parayana. Abhang dhunnanti karsnena. They become able, quite competent, to cut down all sinful reactions simply by one method, karsnena. How? Aram iva bhaskara. Bhaskara means sun. As soon as there is sunrise, the mist or the fog immediately disappears. Many thousands of miles, people in the fog, they cannot run on railway, they cannot run on the aeroplanes, and I have experienced. Yesterday, practically our plane was lost in the fog and high in the sky. And I have seen in the sea also, as soon as there is fog, while I was coming to our country on ship, the ship stops and they began to bugle, boom, 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 like that. But as soon as there is sun, these thousands miles of fog immediately. The example is very nice. Niharam iva bhaskara. So you try to make Krishna's sun rise in your heart. Krishna Surja Sama. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita it is said, Krishna is just like sun. Maya andhakar. And Maya, this illusory energy, it is darkness. Jaha Krishna taha nahi maya radhikar. As soon as there is sun, Krishna, immediately darkness of Maya disappears. So why not take this simple method? All Maya disappears. Daivijji sa gunamai mama Maya durattaya. Otherwise, to surpass, to overcome this ocean of darkness, Maya, is very difficult. Daivijji sa gunamai mama Maya durattaya. Durattaya, very, very difficult. Hard. Then how? Mame vajaprapadante mayame tang taranti. Simply teach people to surrender unto Krishna, God. All illusion means will disappear. Will disappear. And the method is very simple. Chant Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. The more you go on chanting, the fog within your heart, the clumsy darkness of many, many life's sinful activities will be cleared. Cheta Darpanamad. And everything will be seen very distinctly. What I am, what is God, what is this world, what is our interrelation, how I shall live in this, then what is my next life. Everything will become clear.